Hello my awesome viewers, it's Uday from Uday's Kitchen, here to give you the most delicious recipes. Today I'm back with a goat meat fufu recipe, that is goat meat in okra soup. Okay, and we are having this with fufu. Okay, so onto my pot I add my goat meat. This is about 2 kilos. Onto that I add a sea snail, some salt, and add in water and allow the goat meat to tenderize. Ingredients we use are basically the same ingredients that we had in our previous okra soup recipe. If you did not see that video, please check it back. It will be in the description box, okay, where I showed in detail the ingredients that are going to be used. But for today, I'm just going to be showing you as I put them into the soup. Our meat is almost tender, so now I'm going to put in my catfish, okay, and allow that to cook a little bit. Then I'll take that out. The catfish is cooked, so I take that out and add in the greens. So first of all, I'm going to add in the greens. As you can see, I also added some palm fruit juice, okay, to give it more taste and color. So now goes in the greens. Okay, so you first put in the greens, okay, to avoid the okra sticking to the pot. I added 3 different greens here. I use keren keren, I use boloji, and I also use sweet potato leaves. A mixture of these 3 leaves makes this dish taste even better. I'm now going to allow this to boil a little bit, then I'll add in my okra. It has started boiling. In here I have my okra pounded, and I have my pounded ingredients as well here. So habanero pepper, locust bean, and green onions, or spring onions is what I use, and half the white onion. So that goes in. When I put this in, I'm not going to mix it, okay? I'm going to allow it to separate by itself. As it is boiling, it separates as well. Dry salted catfish also goes in at this stage. Our soup has simmered down a little bit. In here I have my seafood, so all of that goes in. Then I add in some Maggi seasoning. 2 of that. Remember, we salted the meat, so we don't need to add any more salt. Finally, the palm oil goes in. Now I'm going to allow everything to cook and completely simmer down. Okay, and we are done. There you have it. That's our lovely fufu. That's the okra soup, and that's the dumpling or the fufu. So all you do is take it, put it in a bowl, and add the soup to it, and you're good to go. There you have it. Bon appetit, and see you next Saturday. Bye bye. Thank you all for your everlasting support. Please do like, share, and subscribe if you're new to my channel to not miss out on any of our upcoming videos. Until we meet next time, bye bye.